This is the remote control of F7 4K Pro, which will bring a brand new operation experience. The front key of the remote control. From left to right, respectively, a throttle joystick, speed switch, emergency stop landing, power stage, GPS return home, and direction joystick. The top buttons of the remote control, from left to right, respectively, are photographing, camera shooting, zoom in and zoom out, and camera angle adjustment. The icons on the LED screen of the remote control. Stated display, flight speed, distant aversion, battery state of remote control, GPS signal intensity, remote control signal strength, battery state of aircraft, ascent and descent speed, flight speed, height and distance. Note, when the battery of remote control is low, the battery state icon of remote control will keep blinking. At this moment, please stop flying and charge the remote control immediately. App installation. Scan the corresponding QR code in the instruction manual. Download and install the app of aircraft. Open the wireless network and connect to Wi-Fi. Open SJRC Pro to enter into the operation interface. The app contains multiple operation functions. Back to initial interface. Automatic takeoff. GPS return home. More functions. Image following. GPS following. Point of interested flight. Music. VR split screen. Angle adjustment. Gesture photographing. Gesture shooting. Waypoint flight. Filter. Zoom. GPS signal. Battery state of aircraft. Setting. SD card state. Photographing or video shooting conversion. Shutter. Media library. Sharing with one button. Distance. Meter. Height. Meter. Speed. Meters per second. Recording. Thank you for watching an instruction video of remote control and app for F7 4K Pro.